Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are gonna learn these realistic cherries drawing by using the graphite pencil. But before that, make sure to smash the subscribe button and press the notification bell to get notified of my every single video. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll start drawing these cherries by using the basic shapes like circles with the help of HB pencil. So later on, I'll draw the contour line to create the micro details more visibly. Well, most of the artists used to draw without blocking out the details, but for me, the more I draw the micro details, the more it is helpful to build shading, including the highlights and the shadowed areas of the drawing, especially when it comes to draw realism. But you guys can get an inspiration by following my technique of drawing with the details, or you can follow yours as well. So after finishing the contour line drawing of the cherries, I'm going to build up the base layer of shading by using 4B pencil by FaberCastel. So follow along with me because I'm going to build this base layer all over the cherries one by one. Also, I'll be using the blending stump to blend out the base layer along with the shading to make it subtle and more smooth. As you can see that the base layer is almost done, and it's quite obvious to see the contrast of the shading is blend out so nicely. So now I'm going to add some texture to enhance the details of the drawing so it will stand out more realistically. So for the texture, I'm going to create some fine dark lines by leaving the highlighted areas for enhancing the realism of the drawing. Also, I'll use the black pencil for the darker values rather than using the 8B or 9B pencil. So keep experimenting with your creativity, you will learn a lot more from that. Let's draw some highlights now. I'm going to create some brighter highlights just by using the ordinary whitener or pen corrector. And then I'll reshape the highlights by using the darker pencil to enhancing the highlights more visibly. Now I'm going to create cast shadow under the cherries by using the same pencil 4B, and then I'll blend out everything with the blending stump. At last, I'm going to build up the pedicel or stem area of the cherries by using the 4B pencil again. I'm following here the reference image because some of the stems are blurry, so I'll erase the excessive blending or the shading to make it more blurry and realistic. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot more from this. If you want to watch the tutorials of my all the graphite pencils, you can check out the playlist in the card above as well. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.